So question 53 says, when viewing Angel Falls from observation platform A, located on the same level as the bottom of the waterfall, we calculate the angle of elevation to the top of the waterfall to be 69.3 degrees. And from observation platform B, which is located on the same level, exactly 1,000 feet from the first observation point, we calculate the angle of elevation to the top of the waterfall to be 52.9 degrees. So that's that. And it wants to know how high is the waterfall. So we will label that as H. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to solve this triangle. And we know that 180 degrees minus 69.3 is 110.7. And then we know that 180 minus 110.7 minus 52.9 will give us this angle, which is 16.4. 16.4. Now that we know those two angles, we want to figure out this side right here. We'll make it x. So what we're going to do is take the sine of 52.9, the sine of 52.9, put it over x, because that's what we want to figure out, and that's its opposite length. So is equal to the sine of 16.4 over this length, 1,000. Now we're going to multiply this side by x and that side by 1,000. So we'll get sine 52.9 times 1,000 is equal to sine of 16.4 times x. And then we'll just divide both sides by sine of 16.4, and we get x is equal to sine of 52.9 times 1,000 all over the sine of 16.4. And when you punch that into the calculator, you get 2,825. And so that's solved for x. And now that we've solved for x, we can do the same thing. We've already solved this. We can do the same thing with this triangle to solve for h. So we can write the sine of 69.3 over h is equal to the sine of 90, which is just 1, over x, which we remember is 2,825. And now we're just going to multiply like we did, that being 1, we get the sine of 69.3 times 2,825 is equal to h times 1, or just h. And when we punch that into the calculator, you get the height of the waterfall, which is 2,643.